Hello student, once again welcome to our lecture series Geographical Thought of MSc Geography second year KG Somaya College of Art, Commerce and Science, Kopargaon. In the previous lecture, you studied about the British geographers how contributed in the field of geography. So today, let's see some most popular geographers of France who made the significant contribution to the philosophical foundation, political and historical geography in the France. So let's begin to our new lecture of geographical thought, French geographers. So our first French geographer is Philippe Bosch. He was nominated first geographer of the king in 1729. He was the first French geographer. He was working on evolution of range geography and talk about the fjord geography. He said that river basin was the best natural region for a geographical study, and he established the division of the world by sea and river system. According to Philippe Bosch, geography only studied through natural region demarcated on the earth's surface, and in his theories on river basin on the ocean floor were at times overgeneralized and thus they hindered the progress of geography. Bosch work as a whole constituted a definite contribution to geography, and in his theory, Bosch theories explain of submarine basin and backbone which was based on the card becomes well known. Next geographer is Jacques Récals. He was born in 1830. He was the French geographer, and Récals was a writer, and he was involved his writing in his main work in world regional geography. His work, also known as the Nouvelle Géographie Universelle and Physical Geography, also known as La Terra. In his work, describe the Récals geographical features like river, mountain, continent and their impact. Another is 1892, Récals was awarded the gold medal of the Paris Geographical Society, and then 1894, Jacques Récals was appointed as chair of comparative geography at the University of Brussels. Our next geographer is Frederick Laplace. He was the sociologist, but his work in a geographical determinism as a concept, and his main studied structure a social order of European societies under the different physical conditions, and another work in interrelation between the environment, occupation and as well as places. And Laplace wrote his main work Les Ouvriers Europeans in 1855. So next one is Vidal de la Blache. He was the most important geographer of France. A French geographer. He was a French geographer, and he is considered to be a founder of modern French geography. He is regarded the father of human geography and propounder of possibilism, and his main work in geography, regional geography, the world. Second one is geography of France, and third one is geography of eastern France. And his main geographical approaches was field studies in France. Then he developed concept of phase, means studied its specific geographical features like soil, economic speciality, demands of peoples with different regions, and agriculture field. Vidal de la Blache concept of phase had a unique pattern of settlement. You also know about the pattern of settlement like a compact settlement or a scattered settlement. And his most famous work was Principle of Human Geography, was published by De Martal in 1923 after the death of Vidal de la Blache. Vidal de la Blache produced a large number of publications including the 17 books, 107 articles and 240 reports and review. Only some of these have translated into English languages. Our next geographer is Joseph Gallos, Lucien Joseph Gallos. He was born in 21st February 1857, was a French geographer born in Metz. Gallos made the major contribution to the Annales de Géographie, a geographical journal that he co-founded with his mentor Paul Vidal de la Blache. After death of Vidal de la Blache, he assumed the directorship of Geographie Universelle, a major project involving regional geography of the entire world. Gallos has a keen interest in the field of cartography. Our next geographer is Emmanuel de Marton. Marton was born on 1st April 1873 in Chabris-Indre, France. He was a founder of physical geography, especially in geomorphology. Marton laid the foundation for physical geography with combine the subject of climatology, morphology, zoology or botany. His most important work in geomorphological analysis for France and across the world. Emmanuel de Marton first published work dealt with the coastal morphology of Brittany, and then he concentrated on the studies of physical geography in the Carpathians. His regional monograph on Wallachia in 1902 manifested the explicit influence of the Vidalian tradition. Our next geographer is Franz Schrader. He was born in 11th March 1891 in Germany. So he was a contemporary of Vidal de la Blache. He was not his pupils. He was not an official engineer or academician, but he was known for his cartographic skill. He had been a successful field observer, surveyor, artist and draftsman. And he also geographer, cartographer and landscape printers. And next one is Pierre de Fontaines. He was the pupil of the Paul Vidal de la Blache. His first teacher were de Marton and Lucien Gallos, but later he came under the influence of Jean Bruns. He obtained his doctorate from the Sorbonne, and his thesis published in 1932 appear to be a departure from the traditional regional study. Next one is Jean Bruns. Born in 25th October 1869, he was the French geographer, and Jean Bruns was one of the outstanding pupils of Vidal de la Blache and founder of geography. He is not only elaborate Blache ideas about regional and human geography and spread them throughout France, but also transmitted the Vidalian tradition to other countries. He was an outstanding scholar of France and a maker of modern geography. Bruns is best known for his presentation of the essential fact of geography, from which one can readily quote statement which specifically limit the field. And his most famous book is La Géographie Humaine, means human geography. I hope you understood about the French geographers. So, our first topic of geographical thought of MSc Geography second year has been completed. So, let's see in the next lecture with new chapters. So, thank you. Save